born in ancient Palestine, you're going to be a Cleopatra. Well, that's not my line. Line like a poetess Emmanuel Wala esithobela. Ngibongele ngiphindze ngwamukele ke mbukeli behlelo lakho lithandzayo nahamba embili eSatini TV naseven lonke nje Dandla nenkondlo. Solo nguye Fortunate wakamabuza niyathi masuthi mina ngihlaya ngiplaga manje ngihlaya ngivethela bosongondla bachamula lapha nalapha. Usinohlethi phansi uthi ha ngusongondla yebo bangi bobosongondla ngisho wena uyadlanga ngelithalente lakho but uhlale usho kuma kwakho uthi mami I'm a poet. Mommy, I can sing. Kubona bani? Kubona wena nje na bedroom yakho nale mirror yakho lapha. Anyways, angikho lana kuTojaja ngoba ngila eMabhensane High School. Unabo songondlo ke la. Bathi bona ke, you know what Fortune, we can do better. Labo songondlo lohlale uthi wena aba blind eye. Lide la kithi tivele ke mbuke ukuthi bahaya kanjani, bahaya kathini. Vele bangiboni bosongondlo noma ngumdlalo nje. Anyways, angigethi into wena njani kuTojaja.
Mom, dear Mom, you are where my morning starts and where all the days begins. You have given me everything that one could ask for, and for that I'm very grateful, Mom. You taught me life. You told me that sometimes things can be denied or delayed, but cannot die unless you let them to die. You told me that decisions you make today determines your future. Mom, you showed me the right path on life. You told me that whenever I feel oppressed and down, I should kneel down and pray. Pray to the Lord our Savior. Here is mightier. Here is the Most High. Here is Alpha. Here is Omega. Here is a father to the fatherless, a husband to widows, and a comforter to those who are oppressed. Mom, today I take this chance to let you know that you are in my heart and will forever be ever so. That you are the one who makes me to be this lady I am today. That much is true. If you are born in ancient Palestine, you are going to be the Cleopatra. If you are born in ancient Egypt, you are going to be the goddess of love. But since you are born here, you are the queen of my own castle. I love you, Your Highness. It's Poetess Emmanuel. God is with us.
Emmanuel the Poetess. Siyajabula kuba nawe ehlelweni Ntandla Nenkondlo. Busela umbukele ekhaya usho ukuthi ungubani ufunza from bani.
Sanibungelela babukeli emakhaya. Igama lami ngidlamini Sinenkosi. Funza form 4 Mabhensane High School.
Okay. Then you call yourself Emmanuel the Poetess, right?
Yes.
Okay, now ungasivethela nje nembukeli ukuthi why are you calling yourself Emmanuel the Poetess?
Oh. Igama lelithi Poetess Emmanuel ngalethwa i-director yami. Just because kwente ukucala kwami kwente ama-poets kwaba mysterious, like ngacala ngingafuni, like bengikulenye njena ishow whereby bengekobukela. Then there was a time whereby bamele khona umuntu, then I show up, then like nami khona i-poem le ngake ngayibhala yabo, so ngahamba ngayo-recite i-poem. Then kwaba khona lo mnye babele bekakhona lapha and said, I liked your poem. So wathi-ke, you are Poetess Emmanuel, meaning God is with you. I think poet utaba successful since God is with you. Life of second chances. Life is God's gift to humanity, but living is a privilege. A privilege to transform your pain into peace and prosperity, to transform your problems into projects. A privilege to transform your dreams into dreams and diamonds. Therefore, why suicide when life gives second chances? When life seems none, nil, never. When life becomes zigzags and zeros. When life is hopeless and helpless. When the voice of a reason is voiceless and void. Remember, life will always give a second chance. So why? Why suicide when a second chance is on the way? A suicidal thought has no place on earth. A suicide victim has no place on heaven but hell. You may be disappointed today, but be appointed tomorrow. You may be a zero today, but a hero tomorrow. Darkness comes before dawn. So why? Why suicide when the second chance is coming? When the devil is suicidal thoughts comes, just run. Run into the ground of thorns and thistles, with the weeds of solitudes and sorrows, and reach your mind with peace and pleasure. And remember, life will always give a second chance. Humanity say no to suicide. Humanity say no to self-slaughter. Say no to self-violence, vivification, and viciousness. Humanity say no to self-murder and mutation. Say no to self-confrontation and elimination. And remember, just remember, life shall give. It shall give a second chance. Before committing suicide, just think. Think of the souls that would be left pathetic, penitent and pessimistic, pained and afflicted. And remember, just remember, life shall give. It shall give a second chance. It's Poetess Emmanuel. God is with us.
I-support ihamba kanjani at school, your friends, ekhaya, or uthi khanza nje uthi poetry is just a thing lotendela wena nawe ethanda kuphela?
No, like I do get support ekhaya lala esikoleni bangani bami nje bangitalana like ube right bangitshela ukuthi ngiba right nasekhaya like because mina I'm in a Tobiya Drama Society, so whereby they posted ukuthi ngidawenda the interview today, so babe wayibona akangihlali naye, he called me and say ube right, so I think I totally supportive way. My culture, my heritage. Dear sons and daughters of Africa, I am proudly Africans. My blood, skin and thoughts, my dress, music and religion, they all sing a song. I am an African. I'm not an African because I was born in Africa. No, I am an African because Africa was born in me. My culture, my heritage, I love you. The love for my culture is ceaseless, deathless, timeless, and endless. The love for my heritage is unending, unceasing, undying, and unremitting. My culture, my heritage, I love you. In spite of criticism, reprimandation, they want to poison and pollute my mind, saying my skin color is not good looking. No, again, I am beautiful. Being beautiful is my culture, but being black is my heritage. My culture, my heritage. Oh, Africa, oh, who said my attire is wild and ungodly? Who said the planters used to heal our forefathers is evil? Who said Dudley Ntombi is now public in indecency? Who on earth was given the power to tarnish and destroy my African image? From Cape to Cairo, Africa I protest. Africa beat the drum. Just bring back my African culture. Bring back my African heritage. My culture, my heritage. Rise, the spirit, rise. Rise, the spirit of Nkwame Nkrumah, rise. Rise, the spirit of Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, rise. Rise, the spirit of Samora and Machin, rise. Vuka, the spirit of Ilembe Leqamanya Malembe. Vuka Puzo Putinda Wasai Putisisa. Rise, the spirit of African queens and kings. My culture, my heritage. Americans and Europeans, set me free. Set me free from the chains of moral independence. Set me free. I want to be free. Just give me freedom. 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 Edom. Edom. Dom. Poetess Emmanuel, God is with us.
Ngiyiphi advice longaniketa lomunye umfundzi lothi mina ngiyipoet but ngiyesaba kuphumela ngaphandle kwangibone ukuthi ngiyipoet?
Okay, ngacishe ngithi makusaba siyasaba sonke, but kula kuthenini ke indima uyithanda mawuthi dedicate ki kude lo ngafika kwenda ngayo. Now ukuthi nje I like it and I will do it. Just go and do it. Utokhona like abantu bakhona futhi they are there to judge kuthi ha uyastelisa wena and stuff, but nje now ukuthi ke I will do it, you will do it.
Yeah, bahaya bangikhumbuta lokwana mina poet for you. Anyways, ngidaqhubeka ngibe nguye-poet for you. Nanivetela nje inkondlo yami ukuthi hayibo nami lemfa ngiyenda nami ngiyahaya ngishaya istanza ngithi 2 ngithi 3 umangala ukuthi hayibo for you lemfa uyenda right. Yebo ngidaba ngiyenda right. So siya connect marketing. Nasiket marketing siqhubeka nayo inhlelo naye bobafundi bala eMafensane High School ungathi nyaka. Well, that's Fundisa, the new presenter of Tanda Nenkondlo ngiyadlala mbukeli. Sinafundiswa ke lothi wena uyakuthanda Tanda Nenkondlo vele ngumlandzeli walo hlelo futhi ujabule ukuthi namhlanje la eMabhensane High School. Nawe ke ngibona ukuthi wena uthathe isinqumo lapha ngithi no angiyinzawo ngidawuqhubeka ngibukele lona hlelo. Ndova ukuthi bafunde baseMabhensane High School. Bathi nabahaya. Bahaya tona mbamba yini. Also you can judge ngoba mina hani ngizomqala ngibajudge.
Hey! Ngikhulekile kini Maswati. Ngikhulekile kini bombandzeni. Maswati lamahle asisukumeni sikhanye sichakaze njengembali. Ingani kukhanya kwethu sekufikile. Sesibonile Maswati lamahle ukuthi nayo imfundo seyiyantenga. Pho singayibambisa kanjani? Ngemakhono lesaphuma nawe sibelethweni sebatali bethu singakhona kuphinde sichakaze silakhe likusasa lethu libe lihle ase singasakhathateke ngalo lona tawuthi khathalelela lona Maswati lamahle bengicela ikakhulu insha yeMaswati asinake emakhono lesiphiwe wona letiphiwo siphiwe tona kuze sikwadi ukuphilisa emandla ngemakhono ethu asigijimeni sithi nkwe kuthi emakhono nemasiko Maswati ngikhulekile Department Kangwane ngikhulekile kuwe silo lesikhulu ngosiye Maswati senisiphiphile simemetelo nathi emathuba emsebenzi akasekho umsebenzi kawusekho Kangwane angeke sanhlupha ngalapho besicela ukuthi niseseke nathi sibani labasha siyisha yeMaswati niseseke emakhoneni ethu noma seningentela imine kodwa nisale lentala abasonkondlo labangalali ibusuku solo babhala baphilisa tinhlitiyo talabo labalimele emoyeni beqwayisa labo labedukako ngikhulekile kuwe silo lesikhulu kwenyama yeMaswati ngusihlelele lona imbongi yeMaswati ngiyabonga.
The poet umbhali siyabamukela hlelo Tanda Nenkondlo vusela umbukele ekhaya utisho ukuthi ungubani wakabani uqhamuka kuphi.
Ngiyanibingelela babukele emakhaya lokhulumako ngusihle the poet ngusihlelelwe ngakamamba kusuka la eMabhensane ngingisonkondlo imbongi yeMaswati.
Oh Mfulini imbongi yeMaswati ushito njalo Mosi. Yes ucala nini ke Mfulini kuba ngisonkondlo ufika kanjani na ungasilandzisa nje ukuthi ufika kanjani la kulo mndeni wabo Sonkondlo.
Kuba ngisonkondlo ngicala 2023 kanti ke lapho ngicala lokuhaya.
Okay.
Eminyakeni lendlulile 2021 ngisesikolweni ngibona umfundzi uyayenta lento ngiyayithanda. Sengihlala ke nami ngekuthi ngibohle ngibhalabhala ke ekhaya ngibhalabhale kodwa nginalokwesaba lokuyenta lento ngoba ngidele siqiniseke ukuthi ngingakhona nokuyena. Ngize ngithola ke lesibinzi kusuka la 2023 ukuthi ngicale ke bese sengiyadenta ke tinkondlo. Kwezama kwami ngiko kanye lokwangizama ekuphileni kwami akuzange kube lula ngoba lokhu lebengikufisile mine bebangangifiseli kona. Pho ngidawuphumelela kanjani nangabe bathi lo mnyango lengifise kungena kuwo mine awukangifanele. Mine sami isifiso kungena kuloya mnyango nangabe kukhuluma laba labasembili indlela lesiyibuta kubo pho ngidawenta njani. Kwase kungilowo mbuto lo ohlale njalo ke uzulazule engcondweni yami ungihlukubete emoyeni wami ngingenaso sisombululo. Kwaze kwaya kanye lendvangu yambuleka ebusweni bami kwabe sekungilapho sengicala sengingasanaki konke labakukhulumako semaceleni ngoba ngeke bahlale vele bangakhulumi ngabe sengilicala ke nelami lihambo ngalicala khona edvolweni ngambikela lo ngetuli ingani uthi tena asimbikele kuko konke lesikwentako yena tabe sekasiphumelelisa ngabe sengingaphothisi maseko ngabe ngilithatha ligathu lelilandzelako emabombo ami ngawabhekisa embili kwakungilapho ngiphokophele kufika khona ngifike khona noma lithemba lami lantenga nekhamba kwami nako sengitenga kodwa ngaphikelela ngoba ngikhethile kuba liphikelela ngani ngafika khona nganconcotha nami njengalabanye yavuleka iminyango simanga lesi bathe thwala tandla enhloko bambamba lo ngephansi kanjani lona ngoba siyathi bekungakamfanele kufika lana nami ngatibuta ukuthi ngifike kanjani lana ngifike lana kube inceke kwezama kwami sami ngalile kwehluleka endleleni nekuphelelwa ngemandla ngakhetha ukuchubekela phambili kwabe sekungilapho ngithi nangibona ke tihlahla ebusikati kohlokelwa ngemagcembe ngiwabone ehlobo aphinza hluma bese ngifanisa nempilo yemuntu lophila khona emhlabeni ngoba akuhlali kunothile ngaso sonke isikhathi kodwa isikhathi sematima nesebusizi ngikhuluma ngalesikhathi lapho khona songathi nekuthi uphilelana emhlabeni ungangizibi uyasathi leso sikhathi lokho akusho ukuthi sekuphelile ngawe kodwa lakho lithuba liseta nawe ngoba konke kunesikhathi sako la phansi kwemhlaba ngakho bengicela ukuthi ningakuyekeli kwezama maswati lamahle lombhalo ucondziswe kini nguSihle the poet imbongi yemaswati umbhali
emavike ekuxwayisa noma ke kweluleka labanye bamfu labanemakhono kungasabi inkondlo kuphela ungathini lokuze ukuthi batokhona nabo bachubeke batiphilise ngoba lo munye uyaye asho mvulo ukuthi yathi mina lo konta letinkondlo ngiphilisa abantu phinze angigcini ngikuphilisa abantu kuphela ngiyakhona ukuthi ngibuye nesinko ekhaya abakhona ekuphila abantwana what can you say to umuntu ke lona talenta love ungazi ukuthi ngiyenda nje kepha angendi ngalendlela engishise ngangenda ngayo
lengingakusho mina kubantu labanemakhono ikakhulu ngithanza abantu labasha lengingakusho kini bantu labasha ngoba into lengike ngayiva bayikhuluma lento ukuthi abantu bathikhanze bangakhona ukuchubeka nemakhono awo kuba ngiloko ukuthi baba nalokuthi kukangwane angeke kude indlela lokungakuphilisa ngayo kude longakhona kukuzuza usela kangwane lengingakusho mina ukuthi nangabe unelikhono lelikhono kuze likusebentele kumele kuqale wena ulisebentele nangikhuluma lokho ngisho ukuthi kulesinye isikhathi kutawendeka ubhale ingoma yakho uhambe uyihlabele kube bede abantu labayilayikhako uyifake etinkundleni tekuchumana kube bede loyithandzako bakumeme kulesinye isikhathi bathi hamba uyohaya inkondlo kumbe emshadweni longukuthi ufike ubuye bangakuthengeli ngisho nesipho lokho akungakucedze amandla kodwa wena akukwente ukuthi ube naloko ukuthi ngalelinye ilanga nami lami ilanga litawufika lokho kutabe selokukhulisa kancane 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 kuphila itolo bekubita kubita kuphila kwabo ingani bebaphila baphila bangalati likusasa libaphathele ini thine ave sinenhlanhla sisitukulwane lesitunge lethu esibusiso ingani thine siniketiwe lethu likusasa libekiwe khona etandleni tethu lethu likusasa lisetandleni tethu kwethu ukuthi sitimisele sibambisise lawo mathuba lesiniketa wona batali bethu uma basithumela khona enhlonhleni yemandla ethu lona ngumcebo wethu imfundo isikhiya sempumelelo yethu ngayo sitakhona kuvula impumelelo yethu siphumelele kulamaphupho lesihlale siwaphupha imihla leyo wena ungafuni kuyengwa bangani lapho ulana bakuthumele khona batali bakho ungayi ngelivumo nesihlwele kuyalimatana lokho kuba angathi mina ukuthi kwatekani ngemuntu lomnyama uma abona lomunye lomnyama ayewena baye bamphekeletele ngetandla abe ayawungena ekufeni namuhla bakubita ngesikhokho kusasa utabe sosikhokho mbamba songathandzeki impilo sekubeke ngaphansi kwako konke sekushayile ingani wadlala ngemathuba wena uniketiwe utawusola bani ngubani lo tawumsola ngoba uniketiwe lithuba sebenzisa lithuba lo niketelona batali batabe solo bakhona bakukhutsata nabotishela bakufundisa bakuniketa lwati lelwati labakuniketa lona ngilona litakholela khona empumelelweni yakho kodwa waze wadlala ngemathuba utawusola abantu kubani lotawumsola ekuphileni kwakho asibambisise mathuba lesiniketa wona singadlali ngemathuba labasiniketa wona lena inkondlo lebhekiswe kini bafundzi kuze kuthi nibone bumcoka bemfundo etimpilweni teni ningayi ngekuthi bantu bathini kini kuthi bathi wena sewuhlulekile utawugugela khona esikolweni ungaphathi kabi lokho kodwa qhubeka utimisele njalo emsebentini wakho wesikolo nguSihle the poet umbhali
Uyatibona embukeleka ukuthi bafundzi bala eMabhensona High School bayamsupporta lo mnye umfundzi lona nike lona litalent abashide bathi cha sine siyafuna abosonkondlo befu kubabona naba reciter naloko nje singeke sime assembly but lokuthi sibabone naba reciter ukuthi bona ba reciter kanjani bayasho ukuthi eMabhensona kusesikoleni se
Excellence is our portion.
divele ke mbukela inkondlo dabo bosonkondlo bala ekhaya eMabhensane High School.
Waze wadlala umdlalo wakho keyboard player empilweni yami. Ungishaye ngesiphicopicwane sothando sangiphica kabili kathathu sangishiya ngenamphendule. Uwadlalile umdlalo wakho empilweni yami. Uyiteke wayiheda waze wayifaka enethini wajabulisa tihlele. Ingabe tinyembe tami tiyabuthwa ngubani na? Wena ujabulela kushada inyoni timbili ngelitshele lilodwa. Kwaze kwaba isimanga lesimangalisayo ngoba lokho akukajwayeleki. Kepha sisho semaswazi sithi lokwehlula emadvotha kuyabikwa. Ukube nalokuhlula abafathi ngabe nayo lwami ludzaba sengilubikile. Siphinde singibace futhi sithi umjingo udliwa inhlitiyo yawo. Ngingawudla kanjani umjingo lophindze udliwe ngizathu yami? Sewungehlukilile. Kepha akusenani. Ngeke kube kubili kube kuthafu ngabe kuyalamana solo emajuba ngakuhluphi.
Poetess.
Poets.
Okay, asobe la mbukela tokuva kahle ngiyeva but ngiva kancane. Uthi ngibani ke?
Sebza the poet.
Okay, welcome to Tandla Nkondlo. Siyajabula kuba nawe. I-full name yakho ithini? Batho khona uthi nasemakhaya lana nabo makhalane batobona uthi hayibo nguwe.
Ngisebenela ngakadlamini Sibongo.
Alright, Nkosi ufundza from bani?
Ngifunda from 4.
Alright. Then la ka poetry ufika njani? Ufike nini?
Kwende ma poetry ngaqala ngifunda from 1. So kuqala kwende poet ngakuthanda nje lento ngaba nalelithando uyabona impoma nelithando nayo bese ufisa kuyena. So kwasuke ngebad unfortunately wabese kushona sibali wami. So ngathintheka. So ngathi aze ngizame ngibhale ukuthi kuyabhaleka yini. Ayi ngabhala kwabhaleka. Ngamtshela make ngathi athi make ngifuna ukoshingo high inkondlo laphana. Osimake ngiyofike ngithinde phambili. Ngoba uyangathi nginemahloni ngathi mina make ngiyoyisho lento ngiyihale inkondlo le. So bebangadi intombi yabo ukuthi ngayihaya inkondlo. So ngayihaya inkondlo tangincoma tihlwele. Uthando lakho julile kimi. Emava akho ayanongotela enhlitweni yami. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ungethela ngamatheke enhlitweni yami. Noma sekusema 10 ukuthi mina nawe sitawuphelele 10. Ngithi kamanzini lesiyakhona. Sitayincenga lendlela kancane noma bathi lendlela yothando imanxeba inamevi yahlaba kepha sithando sami asiyincenge lendlela ngoba mina sengiyingcenyela ubhambo lemabhambo akho sengiyinyama yenyama yakho sengilithambo lemathambo akho ngiyokuthanda ngize ngibe mathambo ngiyokuthanda uze umphefumulo wami uhlukane nenyama yami ngiyethembisa noma sengikuthukuthela ngigcine elikhalo ngoba wona ulikhambile likhabathisa injabulo yami inhlitiyo yami ngiyokuthanda kuze kube phakade lona ngisebza Stola the poet imbongazi yokuthula.
Nguphi nje lokubona ngaphandle kwekuthi uyumate bamfu labato encourage ukuthi lemfolo yendako ingiyo ngiyakubuka kwakho imcwaka kanganani ukujoyina kumcwaka kanganani ukujoyina isociety lenjengesithobela drama society
lo kumcoka ukuthi ujoyine isithobela drama society iyakukhuthata kusethi intimbo ungadenda cause uyathi nawe sizokuthi asifanani la empilweni nje asifanani nhlobo. Kukhona laba khona ko la tifundwe ngoba excel khona khona laba excel ko la ngilama talent. So thina ke lapho siyangenelela khona lapho ukuthi siyakhona excel kulama talent. 2 kule social le sithobela drama society siyakhona kusigcina sisikhiphe busy ngalama talent ethu. Cause namuhla intombi yabo seba dila ngema drugs ngenza ukuthi bakhipha busy ngayo ngema weekends noma ngema holidays. So thina ngalama weekends nema holidays siyale social sithobela drama society so keep busy khona. Umoya wami uthokota make mangikubona inhlitiyo yami yayigcela lithando ngawe. Lelani ngicocela nalisizi lami laphakade lesikwakuisithando sami izulu lami laphakade lapho ngithi khona ngiyophila khona nomphela kepha namhlathi inyembeti butwa kimi ngicela ngingathunyatwa inyembeti tami nami ngithunyatwa ngomhlaba lo ngihlabele ledondolo lami ingabe ngidawuthondolotela ngani kulomhlaba lo hlaba ahlakade lusizi ngivile etishweni bethi indlela ibutwa kwasembili ngathi ngiyayibuta bathi mva nami lena indlela lehlule bogobela ngishwabile ngedikhova ngase ngiyakhumbula make mava yakho ngesikhathi bathi mfanami ukuthula ke makho umuntu baningi lokuthula ke phamba ke akuthuleki make akuthuleki.
Kumbeke kusichushisa nje ngabo Sonkondlo laba safuna activate ngimumfu ofisile ehlabela ekhaya ngiyiveta kanjani lenzaba nasesikolweni naku ke ekhaya sebayayadi ngiyiveta kanjani esikolweni bathi khona ukuthi bangisupport
Bathi khona ukuthi bakusupport. Ngenhlanhla lenhle la esikolweni siyaba ema Wednesdays lapho khona wonke umuntu atokhombisa khona talent lakhe. Wena lelo thuba lelo lithaza ulisebenzise ukhombise na talent lakho. Ngaleyo ndlela utawuthuma kancane uzofike la ufuna kufika khona because yonke indlela icala kancane.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, i-advice lo nganikethe umuntu lomusha lo ngasiwa la Sithobela nje kuphela but lo fise ukuthi naye impilo yakhe ukuthi ishintshe ungathini kuye.
Kokuqala ukuthi ungathatheli phasi to ukuthi yonke into vele inemadima bakhona ukuthi yonke into ayiveli nje iveli belula ngaso ukuthi uyaqala nje kuvele kubelula. Cala benebukhunyanyana cha ukukhunyana because iveli impo lene impumelelo vele injalo nje. That's why bathi education is a key. Yabo ngizathi ngakhomparisela naloku ukuthi kwe dinkondlo ukuthi vele kucala kube nebukhunyanyana bese uyafika kule success lokufuna afika kuyo. So ngamele ukuthi bafake amandla bathi hlobanise nabantu abatiko udedicate nje ukuthi mina lembo ngiyayenda nyalo uyende futhi nangelithando because angawukhona kwenta into ngaphandle kwelithando nekuthi nikela kuyo ngoba yonke into ungancoba ngokuthi uyenda ngelithando nekutimisela kuyo.
Bukeli labo ke bekubo Sonkondlo bala eMabhentane High School ngethemba ukuthi nawe namfunzi lofunza la esikolweni ngeke usaba shy ngeke futhi usesaba ngoba mina angathi ukuthi wena la kwashy ukuthatha nawe mina ngisishy then nawe ngeke uze ube shy ngoba mina ngathi ukuthi ngimnye umuntu lo shy nebayithi sitabona naye mbukele evini netawa ngasesikhathi sifana. Goodbye and God bless.